You know what we should do for Halloween? Just make him be a box. Forget everything else. He'd be so entertained with himself, he'll never cry the whole time we're out. Put boxes on his hands. You should, huh, Bob? Yeah. You found a new flap? Oh, man. This box just gets better and better, doesn't it? Yeah. Whoa. What's in there? What's in there? Yeah?